Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the total number of SARS-CoV-2 infection cases diagnosed in your county over the past 2 weeks. We're going to use the data repository for the COVID-19 dashboard by the Center for Systems Science and Engineering at Johns Hopkins University. The way to find the data repository for the COVID-19 dashboard is go to Google, type Hopkins COVID GitHub, and open the CSSEGIS and Data COVID-19 GitHub page. And once in there, open the COVID-19 data folder. And then we're going to go to the time series folder, this one. And then we're interested in the US cases, US confirmed cases. So this is the file that we're interested in. This file is a CSV file, as you can see. So it's a spreadsheet file, which you can open with most spreadsheet managers. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel in this video. But everything that I'm going to show you can be applied to most spreadsheet managers. Now, when you click on this, you're going to end up on this page. Because of the size of the file, you're not going to see the contents of it, and you'll have to download it. Depending on your browser, if you click download, you may end up on a page like this, and if this happens, you have to go back, right-click, and download the linked file. Once it's downloaded, you can open it. Once you open it, this is what you will see. As you can see in this spreadsheet, you have basic information about each county here. So this is essentially the name of the state. This is the name of the county. And there's more data here like the FIPS codes and UID codes. However, we're interested in the state name and the county name. And on the right side here, you'll see all these columns. These are dates for days. And the numbers here represent the cumulative number of cases diagnosed on this as of each day. And if you keep scrolling right, you'll see the numbers increasing gradually. Now, you can actually try to find the name of the county manually, so you will find the name of the state. You'll have, for example, for Missouri, I'll have to scroll down really far because the file is organized based on the alphabetical order. And then for within each state, you will see the name of the county is organized by the or sorted by the alphabetical order as well. However, I'm going to show you some basic tricks that you can use to find the names easier. First, I'm going to freeze the panes, which means that those columns will show up all the time, and this row will show up all the time. And I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to go to View, and then I'm going to click Freeze Panes. And now, every time I scroll right, those columns will be showing all the time. And if I scroll down, this row will be fixed all the time, and you'll see it all the time. The other thing that I will do is to use the filter function, so I can filter the names based on these variables. And what you can do is select all the cells. So if you have a Mac, you click Command and A, or if you have a PC, you click Control and A, and then you go to Home, and then click on Sort Filter, and then Filter, and this will apply the filter function. Now, once we have applied the filter function, you will see these tiny arrows. These tiny arrows will help you to filter the rows here, and I'll show you. First, I'm going to filter based on the state name. And I'm just going to click on the tiny arrow, and search either manually for Missouri here, or you can, depending on which version of Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet manager you're using, you may be able to search by typing. And this is what I did here. This is Missouri. So I'm showing up Missouri only. And then I'm going to search for St. Louis. And this is the county column, as I told you earlier. You click on the tiny arrow, and you can search manually, or depending on the version of the spreadsheet manager that you have. I'm going to look up for St. Louis. And I'm interested in St. Louis City County, very specifically. And now you have only one row, which is St. Louis County, and you'll see the cumulative number of cases. Now all I have to do is to go to the end and calculate the difference between today and 14 days ago. So this is today, 8/7, and this is 7/25, 14 days ago. And what I'm going to do is calculate the difference. Equals this minus 725. And this is the total number of cases diagnosed over the past 2 weeks in St. Louis City County. 1,163 cases. We're going to use this number to calculate the prevalence or the estimated prevalence, as we'll show you in the following videos.